In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Google Chrome to light mode. If your browser looks a bit dim or you simply prefer a brighter interface, changing Chrome to light mode is quick and easy. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly where to go, and I'll share a few helpful notes along the way to make sure everything looks the way you expect. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small icon made of 3 stacked dots. This is Chrome's main menu, and it's where most of the useful settings live. Go ahead and click that menu to open a drop-down panel. Don't worry if your menu shows different options based on extensions or profiles. The one we need is always in the same general place. From that drop-down, choose Settings. When you click Settings, Chrome will open a new tab dedicated to your preferences. You'll notice a sidebar on the left with several categories. This layout helps you get to appearance, privacy, and other areas without hunting around. Next, click Appearance in the left sidebar. This section controls how Chrome looks and feels, including the theme, font size, and toolbar options. It's the perfect spot for changing the overall brightness of your browser. Inside the Appearance page, find the section labeled Mode. This is where Chrome offers choices like Light, Dark, or sometimes System Default, depending on your version and operating system. Select Light. As soon as you choose it, Chrome will update the interface right away. Your tabs, toolbar, and menus will switch to a brighter, cleaner look without needing to restart the browser. A quick note on what's happening behind the scenes. Mode adjusts Chrome's interface color scheme. This is different from installing a theme from the Chrome Web Store, which can change colors and backgrounds more dramatically. If you ever want to experiment, you can still use themes later, but Mode is the simplest way to get that classic bright appearance instantly. If the change doesn't appear as expected, make sure you're using a recent version of Chrome, as interface options can vary slightly between updates. Also, some systems offer a System Default option. Choosing light directly makes sure Chrome stays bright even if your device switches to a darker theme at night. That's all there is to it. You opened the menu, went into Settings, navigated to Appearance, and selected Light under Mode. Enjoy the refreshed, easy-to-read look, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to switch it back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.